Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with butter and garlic. This is one of my favorite recipes right here, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the ramen noodles, open up the packet, pull out the seasoning package, put the seasoning right at the bottom of the bowl, and then add the ramen noodles to the bowl. That's a rapid ramen cooker bowl, along with the crunchies in there if you like. You can eat them if you wanted to. And then I'm going to add water to the bowl up to the line. Once I add water up to the line, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Alright, after about 3 minutes, I am going to pull out the ramen noodles. Be careful because the bowl can be hot. And I'm going to stir the ramen noodles up just a little bit, just to make sure the seasoning gets a little bit through. And then I'm going to drain the water from out of the ramen noodles. Okay? Alright, so once I drain the water out of the ramen noodles, I'm going to take some garlic powder. I'm going to take some garlic powder and just sprinkle it within the ramen noodles, preferably down on the side. And then I'm going to take some butter right here. Right here I have a 1/4 stick of butter, and I'm going to put it in there. Now, if you have a huge chunk of butter, you're going to want to slice it up a little bit so it can melt efficiently. So once I slice it up a little bit, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Alright, after 45 seconds, I'm going to pull the ramen noodles from out of the microwave and look at it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you all can see it. Alright, so you're going to take it and you're going to stir it a little bit to get all the butter and garlic mixed in together. And it's smelling great. It's smelling buttery, garlicky, absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. It's one of my favorite. Thanks a lot for watching.